Hi there fellow guitar players, welcome to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. How to create a lead melody? This question I've seen at least 1,000 times in many of the groups that I'm part of. And I finally decided to create at least a partial answer to that question. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to create a lead melody using an anchor lick. Well, what the hell is an anchor lick? An anchor lick is a lick that you come back to every so often and then we're off again. Let me play you the anchor lick. This lick is compliments of Griff Hamlin. I found it on Blues Guitar Unleashed on Facebook. When I heard this lick, I liked it right away and I knew it had a lot of potential to add some stuff to it. So let's go check out how I'm going to use this lick as an anchor lick. And then I'm going to break the whole thing down for you, lick by lick, with supported tabs. If you get something out of my lessons, then please subscribe, hit the bell so you get notification when new lessons go up. Thank you so much. Okay, lick 1, the anchor lick. Index finger bars the B5, E5. Okay, we'll do a little rake here. And then we pull off from 8 to 5 on the B string. Full bend on the G7. A release. And then a pull off from 7 to 5. Then D7 back to G5. Second part is a slide from G7 to G9. Then we pick B8, B10. Then we pick E8. Then a full bend on E10. Back to E8 and a vibrato. So lick 2 starts again with this anchor point that I just explained there in lick 1. But now, after that slide from G7 to G9, we play these double stops, put the index finger on the B8, and then we'll play this double stop. Okay, I can do a little bit of vibrato at the end. Lick 3. Lick 3 will slide to G11, B10, B12, then 2 bends, 2 half bends. Then we do a pull off from B12 to B10, then G11, back to B10, and a vibrato. The second part of lick 3, we do a half bend again on B12, hold the bend and pick with your pinky the E12, and then a pull off from B12 to 10, back to G11, B10 and a vibrato. Lick 4 is the anchor lick again. We'll slide again, and then we'll do the same as in lick 2, but we add the ring finger to make that D7 shape, which is basically an A7 here, right? Okay, and in the end add a little bit of vibrato. So the first part of lick 5, we're going into the turnaround, which is E. So we have the E chord right here, right? So we use those three notes, index finger on the B, 12, middle finger on the G, 13, and the ring finger on the D, 14. And you slide that sort of if you can. Okay? Pick the D first, and then come up from B to G. Back to the D. Then B12. Then 14, and then a half bend on the 14 with vibrato. So the second part of lick 5, the turnaround goes to D, and we're playing this. We slide to G11, we play B10, 2 bends on the B12, release that bend, then immediately pull off from B12 to B10, then G11 back to B10 with a vibrato. Lick 6. So lick 6, a series of double stop. You can sort of slide into that G6 and E5. Okay, and you do the hybrid picking here. Use the pick and the ring finger. Okay, for that one. From there, we change the fingering a little bit. We use now the ring finger. We slide into that E7 and G7. And then immediately to 8. And then we'll do this. Okay, and then you can kind of give a little bit of a vibrato. And then the last part is this little slide. And then it would start again. Well, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Until next time, I will see you soon. Take care.